Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out a new foundation for you girls today. This is by Salma Hayek. This is the Nuance by Salma Hayek. Flawless finish liquid foundation with skin adapting technology. It minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines while delivering a radiant glow. I do not know if this is long wear or not, but I was reading the back of the bottle here, and it does say that you apply this with your fingers. Okay, you guys know I love my beauty blender, but I used to use my fingers, and I guess because it says you're supposed to use your fingers with this, that's what we're gonna do for this video. So we're gonna go ahead and pump some on the hand here. If you're wondering what color I grabbed, this is light/medium cool 275. You guys, oh look, it's actually quite thick if it's not budging there. Okay, so let's just cross our fingers and hope for the best. I'm going to actually apply this to half of my face. You guys can see how much red pigmentation I have to my skin, and hopefully this covers it, and hopefully it lasts all day. I am going to a Las Vegas YouTubers meetup, and I will check in throughout the day there and actually ask some other people's opinions about my foundation, see if they can see the redness through my skin, because you guys can see I actually have quite a bit of red. So enough talking. You guys can see what, so, oh, okay, so it doesn't feel like too thin, I guess, or too watery, but it has a good consistency to it. And I do miss my beauty blender, but let's follow the directions. I think the finish, it has that glow to it. It's kind of funny because I'm looking at the bottle and it doesn't say it has SPF. Typically foundations that have SPF have this type of like the sheen to it. Not the sheen, the glow. You know what I mean. I think I got a really good color. I think it has like that yellow undertone that I need. On the skin, yeah, it looks like it matches pretty good. What do you guys think? I think it's almost funny. It's almost like I can still see the redness right here of my skin on camera. But in person, it just looks very, very natural. And you really don't notice that as much. Just go ahead to the forehead. What do you guys think? I love that shine. You see that? Look at that. That sheen in my skin. That glow. I love that. And it's kind of funny because I didn't take it all the way down to my neck. And it looks like it's a perfect match. Okay, obviously we're comparing to this side. So I'm going to go ahead. You know what, guys? I think I'm actually going to use the beauty blender. Okay, Miss Salma Hayek, I'm going in with the world's largest beauty blender. If you guys are curious about this baseball size beauty blender, it is by Real Techniques. This is the Miracle Face and Body Sponge. So let's go in on this side with the beauty blender because I like the beauty blender, how it looks a lot better than using my finger. Actually, I see a difference. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick. Okay, so using my fingers, you can see how the foundation did not get into the pores right there. Now using the beauty blender, you see how everything was nicely blended on my nose. Look at this side again. Okay guys, this is about an hour later. I just wanted to turn on the camera and show you what the foundation looks like at the beginning of this video. Guys, so this is 3 hours later. Look how much oil I produced. So ridiculous how shiny I am. So it was kind of funny because I just went like this on my face. I just went like that, and then some foundation came up. So I'm going to take you guys to the restroom and see if a 1-ply toilet paper will actually let this reset, or will it actually just come right off. Okay guys, so I have my Scott 1-ply toilet paper. Let's go ahead and try it in the nose area and see. You guys can see I'm just pushing straight down. You can see the oils that are coming up through the paper. Got a little bit of my lipstick right there. So some of the foundation did come up. But let's continue and see if it pushed right back down. See, that's my lipstick right there. You can see the foundation is more the oil that came up. Barely any color on the paper here. But everything pressed right back down, and that's obviously my highlighter you're looking at. Everything else pressed right back down, and I'm matte. So I'm gonna check in again in a few more hours. Okay guys, so I'm here with Daryl. We're gonna ask Daryl how my foundation looked.
It looks a lot better than my foundation.
He's full glam today.
That's right.
No, but can you see the red in my skin?
No, not at all. I can see the red in my skin. See this?
Yeah, so I am very similar to Daryl's skin color, and he says he can't see any of that red pigmentation through or on my skin right now. So foundation is covering it really well, and so he's going to give this foundation a thumbs up, and so am I.
Not just a thumbs up, a doble.
A doble. I'm Christina Marie, and this is Daryl, and if you guys want to check out his channel, I will post it down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.